Hello, Form 2 students. Today we will go to 9.2. So our learning target today is learn the proof of theorem about angles related to straight lines. So please write down on your class workbook. So in this chapter, we are talking about the deductive geometry. So what is it about? It is about we build from a definition, something like how do we define a straight line, and then with the aximals, the straight line without two ends, we use the definition and aximals to build up some theorem. Okay, something like adjacent angles on a straight line, and it will equal to 180 degree. Okay, and after we have some theorem, then we can build some more theorem based on the other theorem. Okay, for example, we can build the vertical opposite angle equal, and then also with the corresponding angle equal. With these two theorems, we can build one more theorem about the alternating angles equal. Okay, so we prove step by step using combine the use of theorem. Then the proof is about the deductive geometry. Okay, so deductive proof is about if we can satisfy a conclusion, then we can draw we can satisfy the condition, then we can draw a conclusion. Okay, so in math language, then we can say if something is true, then we can draw some conclusion. Okay, so this is deductive proof. So in 9.2, we have three parts. The first part is proof about straight line. Second part is parallel lines. The third part is proof about triangles. Okay, so today we will go through the first part, proof about the straight lines. So let's have a quick revision on theorem 9.1. For a straight line, the adjacent angles will sum up to 180 degree. Okay, and the reason is adjacent angles on a straight line. You need to remember and write down this reason in your quiz and your CA tests. Okay, and then so you can see that this is a round circle. Okay, so the angles will sum to 360 degree. So the reason is angles at a point. And then if AOB and COD are straight line, then these two angles, vertical opposite angle, will equal. Okay, and also these two green angle C and D will be equal, and the reason is vertical opposite angles. Okay, and then there is a theorem very similar to adjacent angles on straight line. This one is used to prove a straight line. That means we don't know. It is not given that AOC is a straight line. Okay, we don't know if it is a straight line. We want to prove it. If we can calculate A plus B equals to 180 degree after calculation, then we can draw a conclusion AOC is a straight line. Okay, if angle A plus B after calculation is 180 degree, then the conclusion is AOC is a straight line. Okay, and pay attention to this is SUPP. That means supplementary. Okay, that means sum up to 180 degree. Okay, so this is the converse of theorem 9.4. So the reason here is adjacent angles, SUPP. Okay, but for theorem 9.1, it is adjacent angles on straight line. So pay attention for difference. Usually, theorem 9.1 to 9.3 is used to find the values of angles. Okay, and it will also use to find the relationship of angles. But for theorem 9.4, it is used to prove a straight line. Okay? Alright, let's go to the classwork on the book, page 11. It is given that AMD is a straight line, and then AMB and CMD are equal. Okay, these two angles are equal. And then we want to prove that angle AMC, this one, equals to angle BMD. Okay? So let's get started from the given condition. AMB equals to CMD. But we are looking for angle AMC. So angle AMC is sum up of these two angles, okay? So we will write down AMB and BMC, okay? And how do we express angle BMD? BMD is the sum of BMC and CMD, okay? So you can see that if these two are equal and these two are the same, so that the left hand side equals to right hand side, so that we can say that AMC equals to angle BMD. Okay? Alright, for question 2, angle AKD is a straight line. So that means XY are equals to 180, Z and Y are also equals to 180, okay? And then you can see that X plus Y and Z plus Y, they both equals to 180 degree, okay? So both of these two are equals to 180 degree. So that the yellow part highlights they must be equal. They both equals to 180 degrees. So X plus Y equals to Y plus Z, okay? And then you can compare after deleting the Y on both sides, you can find that X equals to Z, okay? Okay, so this one is very important. Please pay attention. How do you present in a simple way, and make sure you understand these questions. Number 2, okay? Okay, today's homework is exercise 9A, question 1 to 5, and question 27 is optional for challenging for smarter students, okay? After you finish the basic question. Okay, I will go through question 2 with you. Okay, in the question, angle AOB equals to 111 degree. Angle BOC 5A, angle COD 65 degree, angle AOD equals to 3A. Prove that BOD is a straight line. Okay, this one, prove that it is a straight line. That means we don't know if it is a straight line. We need to prove, so that we need to check if these two angles, we need to check if this sum of these two angles is 180 degree, okay? If yes, then DOB is a straight line, okay? But we don't know the value of A, so that we need to find the value of A first, okay? So you can see that it is a round circle, okay? So the sum of all these angles will be equal to 360. So the sum of these 4 angles will equal to 360. The reason is angles at a point. Okay, so after that, it is equals to 8a plus 176 degree equals to 360. So after 360 minus 176 and divided by 8, a is equal to 23 degree. Okay, so a is equals to 23 degree, and we are going to check the sum of these two angles if it is equals to 180. Okay, so angle AOB, this one, and plus angle AOD will equals to 111 plus 3 times 23. So that after calculation, yes, it is equals to 180. Okay? So we can draw the conclusion BOD is a straight line and adjacent angles. Here, what should you fill in? SUPP. Okay, that means supplementary. Okay, so this is for question 2. So please finish your homework. If you have any question, you could join the Google Meet intervention. And after you have finished, please mark your answer with a red ball pen. With the PDF file, I upload in the Google Classroom. Okay, and submit your homework. Take a photo and submit your homework. Okay.